If you're looking to reinvent yourself over 50 or at any age, one of the things that you have to do is get around new people. I have really made an effort since I turned 50 to try and make new friends and expose myself to different activities where I'm going to have the opportunity to participate with people, because friendships are built through shared experiences. A lot of people, when they're in their 50s, realize that they haven't added anybody to their social circle in quite some time. Now, if you're really looking to do this reinvention that I talk so much about with people, one of the things is you can't do it if you keep doing the same things, having the same conversations with the same people. But making friends over 50 isn't necessarily easy or hard. The only thing that stands in your way is actually putting yourself out there around new people. So my advice is you're going to have to join some new types of organizations, take up some new hobbies, put yourself out there with people. But then it's not just being in the same room. You have to take an interest in them. If you want to build relationships with people, you have to talk with them, but more important, you have to listen to them. People are drawn to people when they feel that person cares. And so often we come into new situations, especially if we're a little bit socially awkward in those situations, and we sit there waiting for people to talk to us. Now, I'm not saying that means you want to jump in front of people and be like, "Hi, how you doing? What's going on?" But you need to be that person who instigates conversations with people. Now, building friendships doesn't happen quick. I believe it takes 7 to 10 interactions with people, not before you're friends, but before they even know that you exist. So one of the things that you need to do is find some organizations or activities where you can get around the same people over and over again. It really does take time to build friendships. I mean, if you look back even to your high school or your college days, the people who were your best of friends weren't that way the first day you sat next to them in a class. It took time to cultivate and establish those relationships. And somewhere along the line, I think a lot of people just stopped doing that. So in my efforts to make age 50 to 75 the best years of my life, I'm trying very hard to get out there and meet new people and develop new relationships. And along the way, sometimes you have to get rid of those toxic people who bring you down and always want to see you the way you used to be. Because here's the thing, if you're making changes, if you're really trying to improve and be better, a lot of people aren't going to recognize that. Too often people put you in a box and judge you on your past. And as you change and grow, they don't see it. Not because you haven't changed and grown, but because in their own mind, they have blocked off the facts that you could change. People like to say that you're a box, you're this big and you're blue, and then they want to put you on a shelf. And they don't take into effect that human beings are always growing and changing, learning new things, meeting new people. So sometimes you have to look back at those people who were important to you and maybe set them aside. It doesn't mean you have to fire anybody as your friend, but make room for new people in your life and build those relationships. And I think that you're going to have a much better time and you're going to be able to grow and change and really have that fun that you're seeking. If you're looking for more videos on how to make age 50 to 75 the best years of your life, reach out to me and let me know the topics of what you're struggling with, because this is something that's really important to me and I'm trying to live it by example.